Hi, thank you for your interest in our products. I'll show you some of the range of products that I have developed. There are polyresin UV printed items. There are different designs of the stones I have made. There are primarily two qualities. One is this completely transparent, and the other in the same thing there is also with the white background, so that gives a little depth of the color in the products. These all designs will be available to you in both the varieties, this transparent also and little opaque also. And there are no limitations to size, shapes. This can be made into any shape, any color, any size. Any thickness can also be made. It can be thin or thick depending on your requirement. And there are few designs of the marble, I mean the stones, and the flower print we have made. There are also a lot of other designs in planning. It can also be made with custom printing. If you want anything, this we have made for textile company. They wanted this with the design of Kudi Pataka. This we have made. Then there could be absolutely opaque items also with the self molded hole and with opaque background. And there could be items like this one, stay safe, stay home. And we also have the facilities for metal casting, so we can also give you products with the combination of resin and metal. We are also making this kind of bezels. We will supply you with the integration of resin printed items with this bezel. And there are many small shapes also. This oval, this is also again very small. Then there is a rectangle. There is a mini button kind of a thing. This can also be made with holes, whatever kind of holes that you need in the product, we can hole it for you and give you. And shape, size, color, everything is possible. We also have the facility for molding, so if you want any specific shapes, we can do the molding also. And as far as these cutout things are concerned, this can be cut into any size, any shape. And this one also, this is used as props for garment items, bag accessories, keychains, kids items. This is Avengers. This is about the beauty product. This is used as danglers or props in purse, bags and things like that. And there is no limitation to the order quantity as such. You can we can give it to you in any small or large quantity. We can make as low as about say 50 or 100 pieces also, in various size, shapes and colors. If you want anything from the ready stock that we have, we can supply it to you. Please let me know your views on the range of products that I have shown you, and feel free to call me. Thank you. Bye bye.